Day 2, Gunners. No power. Big tree down the street, and yeah, it knocked out this whole, probably like within a half-mile radius of all the power around here. So we've got no power. I've got a battery that's charged. We're gonna head over to Tri-State today. I'm waiting for Trappy to pull up. I gotta help the neighbor across the street open his gate. It's a rough one. It's a rough week already. And I'm just trying to find the positive part in it. And the positive part is we're having a huge sale this weekend, and people are going to get to see Kobe in person. So I'm going to try to do my best with this vlog today. I'm going to try my best to keep you guys entertained, and that's it. So before the video even starts, I've been noticing my dislikes are going up. I'm sorry, guys. Are we going back to the rim reveal? Are we really doing that? As much as I've helped people on this channel, I asked for one thing. I asked for 3,000 likes. I'm sorry to keep making this repetitive, or I don't know, man. Just like the video. Word. Trying to do something great for you guys. Keep gunning. All right now. All right, guys. All right, so all right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Yo, no drawers. You don't got a job, bro? You got to get a job, man. Deliver newspaper or something, bro. I'm over here gunning, and you and baby no drawers. Yeah. Job. We need a job, bro. You got to get a job, man. All you doing is horsing around all day, bro. Alright, guys, I want to take this part of the vlog, right, to explain exactly how this sale is going to work August 8th and 9th here at Tri-State Motorsports. We're going to form a line down that way. We're going to come through here. There'll be a table right here with a paper and a pen. Maybe you can jot down exactly what parts you're looking for to make your life easier inside. There'll be 2 big-ass tents here. Kobe will be parked right here. We'll walk this way. You're going to have to walk through the main entrance. So when we get to the main entrance, it's very important that you have a mask on. There'll be someone at the door basically letting in 5 people at a time. So we'll go through here.
Are you gonna speed this up like MTV Cribs?
Nah, I ain't that good yet. There'll be someone here to let you guys in. You'll go through the showroom. You'll look at what parts you're looking for, whatever you want to grab. The sale is going to be ridiculous. If something cost us basically $600, we probably want just $600 for it. You'll go pick out whatever you need from here real quick, then you'll head over to the warehouse. So there'll be gentlemen inside the warehouse waiting for you to help you. We're going to start labeling some things up real quick to where you know what pricing is. You'll surf through here on whatever parts you need. K-Tune, Skunk, Precision, clutches, axles, whatever it is that you can think of that we sell, it must go. You need, listen to me, guys. When you're building anything related to vibrant and fittings, it is the most expensive process. So make sure you really figure out what it is that you need. Maybe take this vlog and start writing down some part numbers, writing down a wish list, what have you. So you'll go through here, you'll grab all your parts, and then this is the final part. You'll come out through this door here. You'll make a right, and right here you'll be able to check out. So there'll be a table right here. There'll be 2 gentlemen at the table. They'll take your money. They'll look at the prices. They'll approve the prices, basically saying, okay, yeah, you got a hell of a deal. And then you walk out through here. This is the exit. And that's it. Maybe on the way out, you can say what's up to some gunners and enjoy your day. Yeah, we don't really need much from here. We ended up grabbing this. -6 hose. We need this for the brake booster. Hopefully by the time we get back to the garage, we got some kind of power, man. Because we're trying to get Kobe ready to come to the sale. I really want people to see this car in person. I promise you, you've never seen a Honda Civic like this. I promise you. So me and Trappy probably go get some food and head back to the garage. I'm not picking that up. No power trap?
Yo, no power trap.
Are you kidding me, man? This is crazy, man. I cannot believe this is happening at this time. We need to get this car ready for Jersey, man. Unbelievable. Day 3 in the dark. Day 3 in the dark. I'm keeping this vlog going. We're gonna take Kobe outside, man. My dumb ass thought we needed electricity. We needed power to bring the lift down, and we don't need to do that. So I forgot we had it unlocked. So we'll just bring the car down. We'll start working on it outside. Let's kick ass. Wheels are on. I'll tell you that much. Wheels are on. I love it. You should have just liked the damn video. All right, so we're cleaning up all these panels here that we painted black a couple of months ago, and just going over all of them. We'll pull Kobe out right here and start installing the body parts, well, the interior parts at that. Yeah, we're excited. We're excited. Give you guys a quick update on the interior. We obviously didn't need to DIY this interior, you know, panels or whatnot, but that's how it looks, all black. Working on it. We've got to find our bar for the glove compartment, and I got a special treat for you right here to my right. Trappy, what you installing?
Seat belts. Safety.
Seat belt safety. So we asked like a question on Instagram, Trappy, remember? What color seat belt should we go with? And obviously we had to keep it status. Great company.
Absolutely.
Helped out with us.
And a big love to them.
And a great looking seatbelt, I might add.
Yeah, that is a nice bag.
So we went all black. So we're installing these. Huge shout out to Status Man. I appreciate you guys over there. And I can't wait to see how these look on the purple seats. Alright, so we're going to cross these straps right here. The reason it's much easier now to do it. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. The reason now that we're doing it is it's much easier to put these straps on with one seat out. So I got to give you one more. Here you go, buddy. What happened? 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 What happened, Poppy?
Nothing.
Oh my God. You're hanging it.
Yeah.
No working, huh? Hanging it?
No.
It's all day.
Hang there.
Should take off those plastics too off the back seat, right? Or do that at the end?
At the end.
We'll do it at the end. All right, let's get these straps fully on, the other seat on, then I'll show you guys how it looks. What happened?
Bro,
Watch your keys, bro.
no, I put in my...
All right, because you walk around like a janitor and all you need is one key. Seats installed, straps installed. Looking good, Trappy.
Almost there.
Almost there. We'll bring it into the light, show you
In
guys.
the dark, man. What's y'all excuse?
Yeah, it's dark in here. Man, that looks good. Black status on here. It'll look much better in the light, Trap.
Yeah.
Much better. Alright, Trappy, let's check these out in the sun. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think, guys? Went with the popular vote. Went with the popular vote. Use the hooks. Strap those up nice and tight. Pause. A little curious on this one. Might move it over here, but just getting some fitment and getting ready for this weekend. Check out the interior. Coming together nice. Another back view here. Tomorrow we'll wipe the car down. We'll like basically detail it as much as we can and just get it ready. Just keep getting it ready, man. Other side. Oof. Came out good, Trappy buckets. A lot of hard work here, Gunners. Nothing was handed to us, man. We spent nights, days in this garage. You guys watched it. You witnessed it all. We're here with no power on, and we're making it happen. As usual, my brothers and sisters, I love you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for being a gunner. Thank you, most importantly, for your loyalty. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe. Hold it down. Do your part in the movement. That's your part, is to support. No one's asking you to buy anything from the website. I've never told you guys, yo, you gotta buy this to be a gunner. I just got DM'd maybe 3 times this week so far on what do I have to buy to be a gunner. We just need your loyalty, man. That's it. Support other gunners. Help other gunners. You know an answer to a question that I can't get to, you answer that question. I've taught you so much. Me and Trappy have taught you guys so much on this channel. So the only thing we're asking for you is to be loyal to us the same way we're loyal to you. We're making these videos for you. These videos don't pay much, man. We have to climb the ladder a little bit more, and it is what it is. We'll deal with that. We'll cross the bridge. We'll own the bridge when we get there. I promise you that. So with that being said, I love you guys. I'll see you this weekend. I can't wait. I can't wait till you see Kobe in person. Keep gunning.